So friends, if you want to start using Zen Lyfe application, which is new application of Bank of Maharashtra, but you don't know how to register in this app, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply download Zen Lyfe application from Play Store and App Store. And it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the registration process is going to be same. Once you download the app, just simply tap on open option. Initially, it might ask you for some permission. If you want to give it, you can do that. Now, this is the first page. On the first page, you get two options. One is open new account. So, if you don't have an account in Bank of Maharashtra, you can simply select a new account or open new account option over here and you can go ahead. But if you are already an existing customer, simply select register and go ahead. Again, it will show you a pop-up screen like this. Tap on yes. And on the next page, it will ask you account number or customer ID number. Now, how can you get your customer ID number? So, if you have account statement, you can check out account number and customer ID over there. Also, if you have passbook of Bank of Maharashtra, on the first page itself, you will get your account number. So, either you can use account number or customer ID and then you can go ahead. Don't forget to select the terms and condition. Make sure this box is checked. Also, if you want WhatsApp banking services, then you can also check this second box and you can continue. Now, I have entered the account number. I have checked this box. Let's tap on continue. Now, there is a process of sending SMS. So, you have to complete the verification with a registered mobile number. Also, if you are using Android phone which has dual SIM, make sure that the registered number is in SIM slot 1, not in SIM slot 2 as mentioned over here. Standard SMS charges may apply. Also, just simply tap on proceed option and go ahead. Automatically, it will show you an SMS, send it. Now, you can see you have successfully completed the mobile device registration. Tap on OK and go ahead. Now, it is asking me to enter or to log in with MPIN. But in your case, if you are registering for the first time, then it might ask you to set new MPIN. So, you can set up new MPIN. After that, it will ask you to set new TPIN, which is transaction PIN. And after that, you can start using application. So, once you set new MPIN and TPIN, after that it will ask you if you want to enable biometrics or Face ID. For now, I'm not going to do that. We can do this later in settings. And this is how the home page looks like for Zen Lyfe application. At the top, you can check out your balance and account number. If you want to check out account details, you can tap on account info option, and over here you get basically you get your account details. You can check out your account number, you can check out your customer ID, and there are much more details given over here. So yes, this is how simple it is to register in Zen Lyfe application, which is new app of Bank of Maharashtra. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.